Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your MySQL database using cPanel hosting. I'm using my GoDaddy hosting for this demonstration, but you can use any other hosting from any other website and the procedure will be almost the same. So first of all, just open your cPanel and then go to the category called databases, and in the databases go to the category called MySQL databases and just click on this category and it will open this kind of interface. And first option here which will appear here will be create a new database. So you need to give the new database name. For example, I want to create a database called employee 101. Okay, so this is the database name, right? And then just click create database, this button here. And now you can see this database is added, right? So now you just need to click this go back button, and now you can see here this database is added to the list here. Okay, but you can see here privileged user. Under privileged user there is no user for this database, so we are going to create a user for this database. So just scroll down and here you will see the section called MySQL user, add new user. So here you can add a new user. For example, I will give the same name as my database, employee 101. So this will be the username, and choose a strong password. For example, the password which you can remember and which is really strong. So you can see the strength of your password using this progress bar here. Okay, so I will give some strong password and repeat the password, and you can see the strength of this password is in the green zone, which is a good sign. And then you just need to click this button which says create user. So just click this button, create user, and now you will see the success message, and it will say you have successfully created a MySQL user named employee 101 or whatever name you provided. So now we have a employee database and employee user, right? So we just need to connect this database with the user. So go at the bottom here, and in here you will see the section called add user to database, and you can click this combo box and select your usernames from the usernames list, and in here you can select the database name. So I only have one user and one database name, so it's showing the same user and same database name. And just click this add button here, and it will lead you to this web page, and it will ask you to provide the privilege to your database according to this user. So generally we click all privileges so that this user have all privileges for altering or creating or selecting or deleting the database. Okay, so just select all privileges and then click make changes button here. Okay, and now you will see this success message that user employee 101 was added to the database employee 101 with the request privileges. Okay, so now the database is connected to the user, and in here in the list here current databases you can see privileged user and your username and the database name here. Okay, so now your database is created and user is linked with the database, right? So just